Hey, what is going on? So here is another curb find. Found this on the side of the road. And I had one of these before. I think I scrapped it and I got parts to it there. I got parts to it over there somewhere. Unfortunately, the other unit was bigger, so the grill doesn't fit. This grill's busted up on this. See, that part went right there. That's broken off. Nah, not a huge deal. I mean, maybe the grill will stay on without that. I don't know. But, alright, forget that. The tab is also broken off right there where it snaps in. It's got it on the other side. So, anyway, this is one of those things, one of those air conditioner finds that I don't know what to do with. You know, should I scrap this or should I spend an hour cleaning it and attempt to sell it? Good thing is the side panels. This is just missing a screw right there. The side panels are nothing wrong with them, which is good. So, what do I do with it? First of all, it's going to be tough to sell just because of the age. It is. The date is on there. 2003. It's an 8,000 BTU. These are pretty good air conditioners, these older General Electrics. But, you know, people who are buying them don't seem to care. The fresh air thing is broken off too. That went right there. So, you know, it's a little busted up. But let's turn it on. That's slow fan. Medium. Not a huge difference in the fan speeds. Didn't hear the compressor come on, but it kind of feels like it's getting cold. The compressor is on. That's a quiet compressor. You can barely hear that from the front. The back's in pretty good shape. There's a couple little dings. Those are no big deal. It doesn't look rusty. Not sure what this stuff is. It's got like styrofoam stuck in the bottom. Yeah, it's not rusty or anything. Wow, this compressor's really quiet. You can't even hear it running in the front. definitely works. Oh yeah, I can feel it's getting cold. These are pretty good air conditioners, I think. Your air exchanger here is all sort of a heavy plastic, which is actually good. I think that's good. It's better than, just styrofoam. It's very easy to clean, the plastic. This is the air exchanger thing here. I guess it goes back and forth. So what do I do with this? This runs beautifully. Trying to get the grill on. As good as it gets. So, I can bend this out a little bit so the grill's a little tighter. I never have much luck like gluing the plastic, like gluing that back together. I never have any luck gluing these things. So I don't know. Wow, this really runs nice. Yeah, this really runs good. Nice air conditioner. So what do I do with it? Do I scrap it? I don't know. Nothing really wrong with it except the grill. There's a few broken pieces on the grill. It absolutely runs beautifully. No idea what compressor is in this, but extremely quiet compressor. Could put this in my bedroom. I don't know. Alright, so there you go. That's a 2003 General Electric. Very nice air conditioner.